If you're aiming to elevate your crypto trading experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're introducing CryptoTact, an advanced AI-driven trading platform that's revolutionizing how Canadian crypto traders navigate the market. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, this platform offers a competitive edge. It operates 24/7, even while you sleep. Before we proceed, a quick reminder: ensure you use the official CryptoTact link provided below. This is your verified route to get started safely. Plus, when you sign up through this link, you'll unlock an exclusive bonus. Let's be honest, crypto trading in Canada is always active. It's fast-paced, volatile, and filled with opportunities, but success hinges on timing. Prices fluctuate rapidly. Missing the perfect entry or exit can result in missed profits or losses. That's where CryptoTact steps in, not just as a tool, but as your ultimate trading partner. Powered by cutting-edge AI, the platform continuously monitors real-time data, tracks significant market movements, responds to news, and executes trades with remarkable precision. It's like having a professional trader overseeing the market 24/7 without human error. The best part? You don't have to stay glued to charts or master complex technical analysis. CryptoTact operates automatically in the background, making intelligent, data-driven decisions while you focus on other aspects of your life. CryptoTact prioritizes top-notch security to protect your funds. It seamlessly integrates with trusted exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, ensuring liquidity, narrow spreads, and bank-grade security to safeguard your assets. Your funds remain under your control. You can withdraw anytime, adjust your strategies, and manage your risk. Want to try it risk-free? Test the demo mode. Whether you're building your first portfolio or managing significant investments, CryptoTact scales with you. Thousands of Canadians already trust the platform. The results? Consistent profits, real AI-powered performance. However, exercise caution. Fake websites are emerging as CryptoTact gains popularity. Always use the official link provided below. Got questions? Register now, and our dedicated support team will assist you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on crypto and AI trading in Canada. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, trade wisely and stay ahead.